Well, welcome back to this virtual religious service for those that appreciate and could value this encouragement in this reading. This Doric reading of the New Testament. We'll be reading from the first letter of Steny, or Peter, chapter 1. Festini, apostle Jesus enitatin tel mictis faucis, scattered all through Pontus, Galatia, Cappadocia, Asia, and Bithynia, chosen all be almicti Father, made pure through his Spirit, in washing be a bleed o Jesus enitatin. Myth ye ken mehr and mehr, almictis mercy and peace. Praise be to Almighty and on Father our Master Jesus enitatin. In Fa's muckle mercy we've been born again, into a life full of hope, through a reason o Jesus enitatin fe deed. The inheritance at we are born until is een at nathan can change nor knock. Keep it for ye in heaven. In the meantime, 'cause you've putten your faith in Almighty, ye'll keep it aneth his poor, till ye be saved be at salvation, at will come till ye in the hinerin. Be glad about this, even though ye must be doon in the moo for a wee failure anew, hain a sair effect on we all kind of temptations. This comes about to prove your faith, a faith mair precious nor gold. At same gold that ye ken, even though in the hinerin it can rot, mon be pure feet be fire. Sic a throw come is brock till ye, say at your faith myth be proved, worthy of all praise. Esteem and honor van Jesus enitatin is revealed. Though ye hinna seen him, I ken ye lue him. Ye trust him without seeing him, and he fesses ye till ye a joy at words canna pitour, full esteem. And all the time you're getting your serin for your faith in him, a salvation o' your sentient beings. The all prophets shoved their itmost to come on his salvation. They prophesied o' his mercy at's new come till ye. They tried to find out, to fit in a time and fit in a circumstances, a spirit o' enitatin working in o' them, was pinting, foretelling a sufferings at enitatin would hae on a stem at would follow, and it was made clear to them at the matters they were taken through han weren't meant for themselves but for youings. At same spirit sent for heaven, things that the very sins went to look up until. Say get yourselves in a richt frame of mind, watch fit your dean, and hope for a mercy that will be yours van Jesus enitatin shoes himself to ye. Be like bairnies at die fit their bidden. Dinna let your lives be rolled with the ill-dean wise ye held till a days van ye didna ken ony better. But be pure in all ye do, just as the een fa cause ye is himself pure. As Scripture says, be ye pure, 'cause I'm pure. Gin ye pray till a Father fa Jesus, ilka een befit they do, without ony favour. Sign ye mun live out your days wi' reverent fear. Ye can find ye werena lost wi' perishable things like gold and silver, for your worthless way o' living, a way ye erred for your forebears. A price was paid wi' a precious bleed o' enitatin. Like a lammy, we nae a mark nor scrot on it. He was chosen to dee sick things afore a world was created, but wasna shown till his last days. For youins, fa found your faith in Almighty through a neetateen, Almighty raised him up fae a deed, and gied him a stim. Say at all your faith and hope myth be in Almighty. Knew that you've made your sentient beings clean, beholden till a troth. Ye have come to hae a real, shoot love for your fellow Christians. See at ye loo een anither in an awful way, wi' all your heart. You've been born again, nae immortal flesh, but o' immortality, through a living at everlasting word Almighty. All flesh is like girse, all they show like wild flowers. A girse withers and a flowers fall awa, but the word o' Master lives for aye. And this word is a word o' a guid send preach it till ya. Chapter 2. Say awa we all ill and cheatin', awa we mockin' on jealousy and being full mood. You're like a newborn infant, and maun seek pure spiritual milk till ye mock your grow. And say at ye will, gin ye've already tasted fu guid a master is. Say come till him, we're living steen, a steen rejected be folk, but chosen be Almighty. Let yourselves be bigot as living steens until a spiritual temple, a pure priesthood, offering spiritual sacrifices accepted by Almighty, through Jesus a neetateen. There's a bitty o' a scripture says, this is the bitty that scripture says, I set doon in Zion a chief cornerstone, elected, precious, a chiel for his faith in it winna be putten to shame. It's to youins for believe in him at he's precious, but to them for dinna dee fit Almighty tells them. Esteen at the mason reject it, at same steen is made a heed o' a corner. And he is to them a steen to stiter o'er, a rock to hiter on. They stiter at the word o' Almighty, 'cause they dinna believe it. It was Almighty's way for them, but ye're his chosen generation, his royal priesthood, a pure nation. Almighty's ain folk, say that ye myth rees out him for cried on ye, out a mark until his bricked sheenen licked. Afore is, ye warna his folk ava, but new ye're Almighty's folk. Afore is, ye had Nathan o' his mercy, but new it's all yours. My friends, I prig wi' ye, as friend in a foreign country, hard awa fae fleshly lusts, or desires, inklings, at are aye at war wi' your sentient being. A why ye conduct yourselves amo foreign folk, maun aye be guid in a richt gate. Say at though they myth call ye all thin, yet fine disaster comes, they myth esteem Almighty, when they see fu weel ye conduct yourselves. For a master's sake, talk we all human authority, whether it be to the emperor, heed o'er all, or a governors sent by him, to gie a licking to them for the ill and reward them for the guid. It is the will o' Almighty, at be behaving yourselves ye myth silence a glaikit spick o' a fields. As free men ye maun never ease your freedom as an excuse for doing wrong, 'cause at all times you're a servants o' Almighty. Ye maun hae respect for a'body, loo wer ain folk, be feared at Almighty, and honor the emperor. Fied men mon die fit their meester tells them on gie them respect. Nae just till a gweed kindly meester, but till a coursing tea. It's a fine thing for a chiel to pit up with Jip, though he disna deserve it, gin Almighty is in his thoughts. After all, there's nae credit in suffering your Saren fin you were asking for it onyway. But gin you've deen richt and get a licking for it, and still anon talk we it wi long suffering, you're doing something worthwhile in the sicht Almighty. Is this part o' your calling? 'Cause a neentadeen suffered for ye and left ye an example. Ye maun follow in his footstep. He did nae wrong, and nae a word o' lee ever come out o' his moo. When he was miscawed, he didna speak back. When he suffered, he didna threaten. He just committed his cause to the een for Jesus fairly. He himself carried our ill deeds in his body till a hanging stake. Say we myth be deed to ill deeds and alive to all that's guid. As suffering he gaed through, his made you eens all better. Ye'd wandered a while like sheep, but knew ye're back till a shepherd and guardian o' your sentient beings. Chapter 3. In the same way, ye married women maun die fit your man tells ye. Say at gin ony o' them disna talk wi a word Almighty, they must be 1 hour till Almighty, wi never a word being spoken. 'Cause they see a guid living wise o' you, their wives, or their wifies. Dinna tart yourselves wi fancy hairdos, expensive jewelry, and posh clays, but mock yourselves bonny through your inner heart, the ageless beauty o' calm. Do spirit, a couthiest thing and all in a sicht Almighty. Is as fit it was like long syne when a women made themselves bonny, but trusting in Almighty and doing fit their menfolk telt them. Sarah, you'll mind on, did fit Abraham telt her and called him her maester. Ye've turned until her bairnies, gin ye dee fits guid, and are nae feart to dee it. I' the same way, you men maun try to understand nae wifey. Hae in mind, she's nae as stout as you, but that ye may baith share in a mercy Almighty, and gies ye life. Gin not as fit ye dee, your prayers winna be hindered. Or your prayers winna be hindered. Now, hindmaist o' all, ye should all be thinking a same way. Lou een anither like brothers and sisters. Be guid till een anither unmerciful. Never pay back coarseness wi coarseness, nor miscall them for miscall you. On the contrary, pay back ill wi guid, 'cause to dee guid is your calling. And some day to ear all a guidness Almighty. For ever lose life, and would see guid days, maun haud his tongue fae speaking ill. And fae telling lies, let him turn awa fae ill and dee guid. Let him seek peace and follow it, 'cause the een o' a maester are turned till a guid folk. On his lugs till their prayers, but the master's watching them for dee's ill. Fa's gone to dee ye ony ill, gin all ye dee is guid. But gin ye should suffer for deeing fits richt, at's a privilege. Dinna be feart at them nor weary aboot them. Just haud fast a Master Almighty in your hearts. I be ready to gie a quate, reverent answer, when onybody speers at ye fit why ye have sae muckle hope in ye. Mak sure your conscience is clear. Say at gin folk speak ill of you, they'll come to be affronted to themselves for mislipping in your good Christian conduct. Gin it be a wheel almighty at you should suffer. It's better to suffer for doing good, nor to suffer for doing ill. Mine, and Nitateen suffered for were ill deeds, eins and for all. A good living chill deed for all ill dean folk, to fess is all to Almighty. His body was deen a wawi, but he come to life again in a spirit. It was in a spirit that he gaed on preach it till them for sentient beings were in the jail. They had refused to die fit they were telt in the days of Noah, the days von Almighty whited unwhited for a biggin eye of the ark. Von safe jou folk, just ocht, recht, were savet 5 waters. Is water stands for immersion, and through it, your new fessen to safety. Immersion's nae the washing awa o a dirt all world. It means a capacity to face Almighty with a clear conscience. It saves through a resurrection of Jesus a Nitateen, for he's gotten to heaven on his Almighty's recht hand, with all the sins, authorities, and powers doing his bidding. Chapter 4. Since a Nitateen had to suffer in his body for his, say ye maun strengthen yourselves wi' a same attitude as he must have had, 'cause whoever suffers in his body is dean with ill dean. Ye shouldna, syne, spend a lave of your days here in the world seeking after your physical desires, but doing the will of Almighty. Ye had time enough in a past to die fit all fit folks die in a heathen world. Your lives were spent in doing fit wisna decent, lust, or inklings, getting full, hodding a splore, partying and worshipping idols. Your all friends cannot understand fit why ye still dinna talk wi' them in siccan deans and speak ill of you cause of it. They're the eens fall need to gie an account to themselves to him for Jesus a living on the deed. Also why a good sin was preached to them for deed. Say it myth judge a human lives they lived and gie them a chance to share the everlasting life of Almighty in the Spirit. The hinerin all is at hand. Say ye maun hold a calm sook, and mind your prayers. Abeen all, mak sure ye have a deep love amo yourselves. I keeping in mind at love haps a multitude of wrongdoings. Be hospitable to een another without grudging it. Fitever Almighty's gien ye, mak sure ye ease it recht gate amo een another, like a guid grieve, handing out a mercy Almighty in all its different moulds. Gin ye be a preacher, ye maun preach your message as fae Almighty. Gin ye gie service, ye maun do it wi' strength ye get fae Almighty. Say Almighty myth be glorified in all things, through Jesus a Nitateen. To him be praise and power for ever and ever. Say be it. My friends, dinna be feared at the fiery hour come, as trying you out. As gin it were something out of the ordinary. Be glad, 'cause you're being called to share wi' a Nitateen's sufferings. And fun is a stims revealed to you. Some day, you'll be filled wi' a most triumphant joy. Gin ony chill gets on till ya for being a follower o' Nintateen. Count yourself fortunate, 'cause sign a wonderful spirit, Ot's a spirit almighty, is resting on ye. But gin on ye suffer, dinna let it be as a murderer, or a thief, or a coward, or for meddling in other folks' affairs. Gin ony chiel suffers as a Christian, he is nathan to be affronted to, but myth esteem almighty in a Nintateen's name. At times here for almighty's judgment to begin, on its beginning in his ain house. On gin it begins wi' his, fu will it eat up we with them, fa dinna talk wi' a guid send almighty. It's course enough for a guid living to be savit, fit to happen till a cowards and a ill dean. Say them fa suffer, 'cause it's almighty's will for them, mon commit their sentient beings to him, their faithful creator, and do all the guid they can. Chapter 5. Now, a wee word to all you's at our elders, for me, an elder mysel, an een for saw a Nintateen suffer, an een for will share in a esteem as gone to be shown till is. Look after at flock, almighty, at a moya, and dinna do it 'cause ye feel ye have till, but willingly, and nae for fit siller ye can get out o' it, but 'cause ye really have a care for them. Dinna act a big man, and tyrannies them you're looking after, but ye maun be an example to your flocky, and when a head shepherd comes, you'll get that crown o' esteem, at'll never wear awa. You loons and quines maun do fit your tilt by the elders. Aye, ye maun awe defer till een another, and wear an apron o' humility, 'cause almighty counters a prude, and gies mercy till a humble. Say humble yourselves aneth a mighty hand o' almighty, and in his ain guid time he'll raise ye up. Cast all your cares on him, 'cause he cares for you. Be sober, and keep a guid lookout, 'cause your fey, a deal, is aye prowling about like a roaring lion, seeking fa he might devour. Stop him, standing stout in your faith, kenning that the job is the same way for your fellow Christians all o'er I warl. But after you've pitten up we sick like for a wee filey, almighty a mercy, for call ye in the name of Jesus and Nintateen, will mark ye hail and strengthen ye on a firm foon. To him be a poor forever and ever. So be it. I've read this wee littery till ye throw Sylvanus, were faithful brither, to encourage ye, and make sure ye see fit I'm saying, on a true mercy almighty. See at ye stand fast in it. Your kirk in Babylon, chosen by almighty tea, and spearing for ye, and say, dis Maloney Mark. Gie een another a kiss o' love. Peace be wi' ye all, for belong to Nintateen. So be it. That concludes Paul's first letter to the group of called ones, or those of us who have been called out of this world. I hope you are encouraged and you found something new. You made a new discovery with this instruction that we have. A lot of things got touched on. But until next time, be encouraged, be of good cheer, and endure to the end.